Hello everyone, Zin with you, and today we'll show you how to set up Authenticator app for PayPal account. Now, we need to know that the process is very easy and simple. First, you will need to open PayPal on your phone or on your PC. Okay, so now I have opened my PayPal. Now go and click on the settings on the top right side on this cogwheel icon. After going to the cogwheel icon, here you have some options on the top. Just go and click on security. Once you go to security, here you have the option step 2 verification. Just click on it. Then make sure that you turn it on. So I will turn it off. Okay, just for demonstration. Now I'm going to click on update. Then I'm going to click on use an Authenticator app. Then I will open the Authenticator app on my phone. Okay, now let me show you how to do the authentication by using the mobile. Should now go and open the Authenticator app. Then use your fingerprint, just like so. Then here, as you can see, you have this plus icon. Just click on it. Then click on scan QR code. Then you should go and take a screenshot of this QR code just like so. Then use your fingerprint and you're all done. Here you have it. I have 3 here right here, as you can see. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.